Good morning, students. As you know, we are doing my page from your social science textbooks, and there are different interesting activities which are given in this my page. First we did the crossword puzzles, and then we had done that some activities were given and you have to mention whether they are in summer season or monsoon season or winter season. Coming to C activity, it's something which you can do at home. It's very easy. I'll just read out what you have to do. Take some orange or apple juice, okay? Pour it in the paper cups, okay? And cover the paper cups with aluminium foil and insert a popsicle stick in each cup. Keep the paper cup in a freezer for 3 to 4 hours, okay? And once frozen, slide the sticks out of the cups. Your homemade ice lollies are ready to eat. So you can do it at home. You can take orange juice or apple juice and take 2 paper cups, which is readily available. Maybe in your home you have it. Cover the paper cups with aluminium foil. You ask your parents if you have aluminium foil, cover it, and you insert a popsicle sticks in it, now in each cup. So this sticks go inside, and keep the paper cups in the freezer so it becomes frozen. Means in your deep freezers you keep it and it will be frozen within 3 to 4 hours. And once it is frozen, you take out the stick and you will see your lollies, your ice lollies are made, and you can do it, children. You can try it out at home, and it will be an interesting activity which you will enjoy, and maybe your family members will also enjoy. Now coming to activity number D. Now what you have to do here, children, it is in page number 74, that you take soil is made up of 6 things. They are air, water, sand, silt, clay and organic matter. Now you know this air is there, then you have water in the soil, you have sand in the soil, you have silt, and we discussed that how the rivers bring the rocks along with them and they break into pieces and they deposit that silt and sand along the banks of the river. So the silt and clay you all make many things with clay, mitti, and organic matter means the dead and plants and leaves or small insects which die in the fields. Even the animals also, they decay and they form the organic matter, which is a natural fertilizer. So all these 6 things make up the soil. Now fill in the boxes with the missing things which soil is made up of, so that each row, means they have given, you can see there is a box given with 6 rows are there, and in each row you have to have all 6 things, but you cannot repeat. So you have to do it in a very interesting way and very carefully, that you write all 6 things vertically as well as horizontally, so they don't repeat. So you don't repeat. Some of them are given in the box, some of the boxes. You have to take care that these things you again don't repeat, and you complete the set of 6 things. Now children, you can do your own, you try out own. That will be an activity which you use your brain, and it's a type of interesting activity. Afterwards, after doing it, you can check that whether you have repeated any of the 6. You should not repeat, you should write only one: sand, silt, water, air, organic matter and clay. So in this way I have done. You can check it afterwards with yours, with mine, but if it is in your way also, if you are not repeating, it's absolutely fine. So what I have done, in the first row I have written silt, air, clay, organic matter, water, sand. See, I have not repeated, and you can see in your first row this clay and organic matter is already written in the 3rd and 4th box. So I have written clay and organic matter in 3rd and 4th box. Second row, already in the 2nd In second and third box, they have written sand and organic matter. So you have to write that sand and organic matter, and you have to write other four like clay, sand, organic matter, water, air, silt. So you can see I have not repeated. Okay. Now coming to the third one. In third one also two things are written. They have written in the first box organic matter, and in the fourth box, okay, they have written air. So you can see mine also organic matter first, silt, water, air, sand, clay. So I have written here in this way. Coming to the fourth row, that is this row, here they have written, children, four things: air, sand, silt, organic matter. They have written air, sand, silt, organic matter. So I have written air, sand, silt, organic matter. So which two are left? Water and clay I have written now. Okay, so you can see in this way I have written that no columns are repeated in each row and each column. So you have to see this way also, horizontally and vertically. Let us do that next one, fifth one. Air, organic matter, sand, silt, clay, water. Now in fifth one they have written three. Air in the first, organic matter in the second box, and the last box is water. So I have written air, organic matter and water, which they have already mentioned, and the things I have written is sand, silt and clay. Okay. So you can see I have not repeated. And the last one, last row, they have written 2 in the second and in the fifth box. Second box you have water, and in the fifth you have organic matter. Water and organic matter. And I have written sand, silt, clay and air. So you can see in this way I have written and I have not repeated. So just read out: silt, air, clay, organic matter, water, sand. Clay, sand, organic matter, water, air, silt. Organic matter, silt, water, air, sand, clay. Water, clay, air, sand, silt, organic matter. Air, organic matter, sand, silt, clay, water. Sand, water, silt, clay, organic matter, air. Now you see in this way, if you see horizontally, you can see silt, clay, organic matter, water, air, sand. Air, sand, silt, clay, organic matter, water. Okay. Third one, clay, organic matter, water, air, sand, silt. Next, organic matter, water, sand, silt. Then you have clay and organic matter. Okay. And the last one, the fifth one, water, air, clay, organic matter, silt, clay and organic matter. And here you have sand, silt, clay, organic matter, water, air. So in this way you have to write so that they don't they don't repeat. Okay, children, do this in your way also. You can do it. Thank you, children.